ahead of you after the tree's all decorated.
I go after you. So I can't see you.
Julia. Julia. Julia.
I want to see her.
Julia.
Daddy can sit up now.
Michael, go, please. Julia. Hi, sweetheart. Can you come to Daddy? Julia. No, no. No, no. No, no.
You can't chase me. Mom, you gotta try to chase me. What's Julia have? She has like.
No, don't know if those are class. No, no. No, no.
See, Mom, put her.
Hey,
Here.
pick that up. Hey, pick that up.
Yep. The other day, we were reaching Sue. We saw some Xana coming down the hill. Big needs her mouth and her eyes. Shots. Xana, don't you cry. Xana, don't you cry for me. Xana. No, don't you cry for me. Louisiana. You want money. Gentlemen. Mom, look at me. No, you...
Hello.
Okay, now you gotta look at me.
Hi, Michael.
Mom, you want to come look at me in the picture?
Sure. Let's see, just a second. Okay.
Say Michael, smile.
Michael, smile.
Say cheese.
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 Cheese. I love
Cheese,
ya.
cheese, cheese, cheese.
I think our battery's dying. The battery's like flashing.
Let me see. Get out of the way, Mom. Uh-oh, Tim, we're running out of film.
Run out of battery.
Running out of battery.
It's the little battery thing flashing.
Uh-oh, and now we'll never get to take a picture. See,
What?
Yeah, later.
look it.
She's
Get ready to.
Can you go over there by Julia?
Kelsey, can you sit here? You want to hold Julia? Can you sit here? Come here. Here, sit. You can hold her.
Where are you going, Cal?
Where are you going? Little miss. She drink some juice. Yeah.
She like some juice?
Good job. I think she's